Hold on. Put your leash aside. Leash the whole time here. Okay. Do it. Jeez. All right. Made a pit stop at Lake Wenatchee State Park. It's pretty fucking incredible, to be honest with you. You hear that? That's why I like it here. You'll understand why this is a nice pit stop if you can make it out. There's a few people here doing some photos. Great spot for photography. It's a hell of a place to do it. Yeah, so I'll turn you around here in a second and give you a glimpse of what we got here. It's incredible. When it's snowing, this place looks like a Bob Ross painting, to be honest with you, when it's snowing. The place is incredible. It's a great place. There's a lot of spots to walk. Camping here as well. It's not my style of camping, unless I absolutely have no other choice. It does get very crowded and loud during the summertime, but this time of year, it's quiet. I love it. But again, I mean, look at that. It's really, really spectacular. I just like to come here, bring the pups, sit, and really just try and enjoy the peace and quiet you get. Just another typical weekday in the PNW, you know? Because when you got views like this, and just silence, you can't beat it. Over here, sit. Sit. Oh, what are you doing? Just isn't happening today, huh? Well, that's fine, you know, whatever. It's cool.